So welcome to AdvantageLumber.com Custom Flooring Edition. We're going to take a product to an unfinished solid epay to a custom pre-finished flooring. Here we're in the first step. See all these pieces coming through, Bruce, and I often get asked by customers, and even our sales reps sometimes, why random lengths? Why can't it just be one single length? What do you say?
Well, part of it's cost, obviously, and yield of the log. You want to make best use of the resource. And you know, the random lengths, you're going to have different places in your job where you have to start rows because all the planks have to be at least 6 inches offset when you're installing. So you're going to have natural offsets in your installation. You're going to have small areas, hallways, other areas that are going to make good use of those smaller boards as well. But it's really about resource utilization, giving that vibrancy and the visual to the floor, and ensuring that we've got a competitive product for the marketplace.
All right, so here we're in the heart of the manufacturing, the hardwood flooring, and I'm looking back and I'm seeing 100 yards worth of machine on both sides of us. What's going on? Why so many steps?
Well, Greg, we got a U-turn in here too, so it's twice that. It's
right.
Basically the length of 2 football fields, and yeah, I mean it's so many steps because you've got different series of coatings on here. So we showed this the staining earlier. Now you've got a couple of coats of the sealant coats here that are applied, and then you've got multiple coats of you've got a aluminum oxide fortified layer. Then you have clear layers that are layered on top of that, and then you get all the way back down to near where we started, and then you've got a finish layer that has a final layer that's additionally scratch resistant to fine scratches.
We're in the finish line. I'm looking at this product and it's just beautiful. I wish you guys were here. I'm looking at this, Bruce, and this is quite a darker tone that we usually see, even with epay. What was the process like of the customer choosing this custom color? If we have another customer that's watching this, how do they go about choosing?
Yeah, so in this case, the customer had an idea. That's usually where it starts from. Is just a customer's idea. They have something that they saw that they liked. Could be anything. You never know where the idea comes from.
So thank you, Bruce. Thank you for those who stay with us during the tour. Remember, if you have a project that is luxury hardwood flooring, AdvantageLumber.com. Your project is our inspiration. See you next time.
Take care. Thank you.